Carry them.
Right there. Whoa. Go through my boss. Road. Road. Up a station, lightning a lick there. You don't know, so look how down the done. Yeah. See it there. Up so. Rain. Up a station. Down so. That's water.
Okay, good morning again, colleagues. Well, at present, the road on Manchester Avenue, coming from Forepath to Maypen, heading towards the stoplight, is now impassable. So for those traveling on this route, heading towards Maypen, please try and take a quick detour and go maybe Jackson Street or so, because the road is now impassable. It has now become a river. So for those persons who maybe started out on this route, try and make a turn like myself here.
Roger, God. Yo, me dog! Bingo! We don't have money, dog! We don't have money! I'm alone in the dark room. Water upon water.
Real rain a fall, real water. Real water. Oh my God. Real water. Bridge cover, can't come out of the house. What's the man?
Oh no, big truck can't come, man.
Riverbed. Riverbed. See it, riverbed.